Welcome to Richa's Aromatic Kitchen. Today's recipe is Palak Paneer or Indian cottage cheese with spinach sauce. Let's start. First, pick the spinach leaves and wash them twice or thrice. Put it into the pressure cooker. And add half tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of water, cover the pressure cooker and cook the spinach for just one whistle. Here I am going to use pre-cooked masala. This is a generic masala base which can be reused in various recipes. We are using salt, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, cloves, garam masala powder, red chili powder. You could have seen this masala preparation in most of the recipes like aloo matar paneer recipes, egg curry recipe and many more. Let's have a look how I prepared this masala in my previous recipes. In a pan, heat oil, put bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, black cardamom, roast it for a while, put minced ginger garlic, let it saute for a second, and now mince the onion, mix the onion paste with garlic and ginger, saute it until onion turn into pinkish brownish in color. Once masala cooks completely, we'll add fresh tomato puree, Dry spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt as per your taste, garam masala, mix it well. Now we have to add tomatoes. Cook it for a while or till the puree mix it in the masala and goes thick. Our spinach is all cooked. Allow the palak to cool down completely. By using a fork, lifting it up and put it in a jar. Pulse the spinach in the blender to make a smooth puree. You can also choose to mash the spinach with a masher to give it a different texture as well. Now add the paste into the masala. Mix it well. Now add the remaining water of our cooked spinach into it. Mix it so very well so that your masala and spinach dissolves and gives richness in the texture. Sometimes spinach leaves water after cook. So to avoid this kind of situation, I'm going to saute 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. Now add this powder here. Add half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala. Add paneer cubes. Now we are preparing tadka. Add ghee in a hot pan. Put half tablespoon of red chili powder, add this tadka in a spinach bowl before serving, and your Indian cottage cheese with spinach sauce is all ready. Try this healthy and mouth-watering Palak Paneer recipe, which is quick to make on a weeknight and all it takes is 20 minutes. Serve it with fulkas, Jeera pulao or Lacha Parantha for a delicious lunch or dinner. See you next time, and do not forget to subscribe my channel Richa's Aromatic Kitchen. Thank you.